Alright, this is the final stage of the soup, the bread soup. Those are some of the ingredients that I added. I forgot to mention. This is green onions. I added the very top, the root part of it. This is Maggi. I'm trying to slow down on that, but if you like it, you can add it. Tomato paste, some cayenne pepper, some distilled vinegar, and I also had some leftover KFC, so I just put some in there. But if you have any other meat you cooked the night before, you can put it in there. And some garlic also. I put about 2 cloves of garlic. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Now let me eat my healthy, very nutritious soup. Bon appetit. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.